Hi, in front of me is Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down, go into System and Updates, Language and Input, and your current keyboard. Then choose Themes and tap on yours. Over here, pick the theme that you like the best. I will go with this one, so I have to click on it. And now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!